Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Charlene with Sweet Pieces by Me, and today I'm going to be working on this cute little treat box by Stampin' Up! Paper Pumpkin. And if you're not familiar with it, it's a kit. You can subscribe every month. It's $22. It comes in the mail, all boxed up for you, and with a monthly kit that includes a stamp set. And this month is a cute little skeleton set. Totally adorable. It's got some cute sayings on there, and it comes with an ink spot that's about this big, and sometimes it comes with two. Usually it's one. Has all the pieces and embellishments you need to make either treat boxes or cards. And with your first kit, it does come with a clear acrylic block, which is about half the size as this one. It's a little bit thinner, but does the job. And it comes with all the embellishments. This month it happens to be little black mini clothespins that are super cute, and the little treat boxes. And these boxes, there are two styles, polka dots and stripes. So we're going to go ahead and make one of those. So I'm going to get started. And if you're not subscribed, I would say go ahead and get subscribed soon. Because you're not going to want to miss the cute winter wonders from Paper Pumpkin. This is going to be the style of kit that you're going to get. It's going to be very similar to these colors and prints, and you're going to see this in November and in December. Is that right? Yes. So you're going to have tags and cards that are going to be coordinating. You're not going to want to miss this. So see the link down below in my description box and sign up. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is start popping these little pieces out. I'm going to get my kit ready for making a whole bunch at a time. So I like to pop out all the pieces. Some people like to stamp them all first and then pop them out. I mean, it kind of helps if it's all like on one sheet, I guess, so it's not moving around. Probably a good idea. But there's different sayings, and I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. So I'm just gonna pop them all out. Sometimes I prepare all the pieces so I could go fast, and then I put it all away in the same box. I keep these little envelopes, so just a little tip I've learned. So then, when I'm done popping out all these pieces, I'm gonna stick them back in here for later. So just a little tip, you might wanna do that as well. Some of the other kits come with the little Ziplocs. I save those. They also come with little glue dots and dimensionals every time. So you're going to get a sheet of these usually. I shouldn't say every time, but most likely. And you're going to get some dimensionals. And this month happens to be the black foam dots. Black, they call pop dots or dimensionals. And they're going to be really cute. So it'll be no white showing through. Has these cute little like tombstone shapes, and we've got these cute little spider web shapes that are bones and skulls. Look how cute that is. So stinking cute. So there we go. So I'm going to build this up. And I think I'm going to start with the skeleton guy because he's really cute. You can stamp him, or you've got a whole sheet of these die cuts. They're already cut for you, pre-cut. So these are great. You just pop them out. That's what I love about these kits. You can take them on the go. I'm on vacation right now. In the middle of packing, we are moving back to Colorado Springs. So in the middle of packing, I have my kits set aside because I'm not packing those. I will be, being able to craft in my free time, in between packing. So I'm going to take this one. This is the one I'm going to use. And I'm going to use a circle, white circle. So I'm going to find those. They're in the stack somewhere, I think. Or, wait. Actually, Huh. I don't see the white circles. Why am I not seeing those? I see the circle vellum. So I see these. We have these. And then I have these tags. 2 sheets of those. And then I have another sheet of the little gravestones. That's okay. We'll just use the gravestone. That's cute. Anyway. And you can even stamp on that. And I think I will. So I'm going to... Comes with this cute, gorgeous grape that's coordinating. So, okay. So I'm going to peel off the plastic. You want to do that first. Then you can access your stamps. And it's got this cute skull and crossbones. It's really cute. You can see that. And I'm going to put that right on my clear block. Ink it up. And what's good about these little ink spots are the stamps. The stamps are usually really tiny, so they fit on there. And they're adorable. So it says to stamp the skull and crossbones on there. Just kind of random. Oops. Random anywhere. We're going to put the skeleton over top of that in a minute, so it doesn't really matter. And then I'm going to stamp a couple on the back of this as well, the white piece, so it'll stand out. You'll see. It'll be really cute. And then I'm going to get the one that says, oh, I'm sorry, and the name of this kit is Bone Appetit. Ha ha ha. Get it? Because of the bones, skeletons, instead of Bon Appetit. So this one's no longer available since Halloween is approaching quickly. They usually go a month ahead. So if you want a Christmas set, you want to sign up now, because in November you will get that kit. So that's my suggestion. Use the link below, sign up. There may be refills for this kit, so once you are signed up as a customer, or even if you're not, you can go to stampinup.com, go to Paper Pumpkin, and see if there's any refills available. So I did my stamping. I stamped it Bone Appetit, because I'll probably put some little treats in here. And now I'm just going to build it. So I'm going to take this piece here and my little gravestone, or I could do the skull and crossbones. I might do, or I could do both. Put that behind it, maybe. No, I think I'm going to save that for later. I think I'm going to do this guy here. So I'm going to use the little dots that it came with, glue dots. That's your adhesive. You don't need any other adhesive. If you do, Stampin' Up! Usually includes it. So if you needed like a sticky strip, they will include it. Okay, so don't worry about that. It doesn't have to be straight or anything. And then I'm gonna use the little black dimensionals. I'm like, where did I put them? Here in front of me. So cute. I'm gonna put one on the back of my skeleton, like right in the middle, and then stick him on. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Like kind of towards the middle, and then I'm gonna stick another glue dot in the back. I'll do two, because I just want to make sure it doesn't fall off later. Put that on. Okay, put that over his feet, and there you go. So cute. And then this is gonna go. We're gonna build this little treat box. So you just, it already has the score lines, so you just fold it up, fold it over, pop out these little inner pieces that are still attached probably, just pop them out. And the sides might have a couple. It's kind of like a square donut box, if you're familiar with those gable boxes. To fold in the bottom, just do, I think, the inside, no, the bottom, let's see, square, flaps, and then the other piece, tuck it in, and that holds it together. Let me do that again. So the square bottom piece first, then your sides, and then this bottom piece, tuck it in. Oops. There you go. And then once you have this all folded on the score lines, you can do that. Hook it into each side. Of course, it's going to have some treats in there. And then you'll take this little guy, and before you adhere this on, you can put a hand. It shows that you can take a glue dot. Let's see, put it on the back of the hand, or you could put it on the back of the clothespin. Put that on the hand on top of that. Look how cute that is. And then you can stick that right onto there. I think it's holding it on. So cute. So Bone Appetit, and I hope you all have a happy Halloween. And remember to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos and also alternate cards using these kits. Thanks guys. Bye.